Today I show you how to use the AI summaries on the Google search page. Here I have the Google search page. Here I have the google.com, the Google search page, and here you can search anything you like. And I will search for how to power off your Android phone. How to power off Android phone. And you see there is this option here. When you search for something, you will get an AI overview. The AI overview is before any videos, any articles you might search for. And by the way, that's my video there. Here you get the AI overview, and then you see the related searches and discussions, all the really useful information related to this, even articles and videos. That's my video there. This is the first one there. And the AI overview on the Google search page. On the Google search results page, you have this AI overview information. After you expand it, you can read more about it. You can see all the options. Most of the times, people want to find out this. It's not something actually. The AI overview shows you a summary of all the information, so you don't have to go to open 100 tabs, maybe 10 tabs in Chrome. And then you see this is using Gemini, and it's using the Google AI to give you the information you want right now, so you don't have to dig too much for it. If you want to find more about it, you can always use these links here to read more about each option. So that's really, really good. And it's interesting, on the AI overview result, my video here is showing, and I show you how to use the power button. And there are options to do this with Gemini or with there are many options to use to power off your Android phone using the soft power button, or using, if the Gemini is enabled, you can use the volume up and power, or volume down and power, depending on the phone. And yeah, this is all the information here. I could do another search, how to power off iPhone. So here you get some kind of image and information, again with a link, so you can get to the source of this information and read more about it, or watch a video. So again, lots of information right here. I hope this is helpful for you to see that the AI overview on the Google search page is actually not bad. The AI overview information is not bad at all on the Google search page. It might save you some time, but if you don't want to use it, you can, in your search, you can put -AI on the search, and then it will remove the AI overview, so it's completely gone. That's one option if you don't want to have the AI overview, but I really recommend to give it a chance to read it and see, especially that it's highlighting the important information for you. I hope this helps you see how you can use the AI overview in the Google searches. So you are already using AI, even if you don't know it, but that's AI working there for you to save you time, so you don't have to open 4 or 5 pages. And once you find the information you want, then you can tap on the link, like you have the links here for each one, and read more. I hope this helps you make Google searches more efficient for yourself, so you save some time when you do Google searches and find what you want to find. Thanks for watching.